With Waitomo Adventures, you can experience the thrill of abseiling down underground shafts, waterfalls and chutes on one of our most challenging adventures. Right from the start, this is an adrenaline-pumping journey through some of Waitomo's best caves. As per all Waitomo adventure trips, full training is given. All you need is moderate fitness and the right attitude. Specialist safety systems mean that safety is assured, no matter how nervous you are. The training we give is very helpful. The first abseil is a heart-pumping 20-metre descent guaranteed to get your blood racing. Through several natural lift shafts, we drop down into the more intricate passages of the main cave system. The lower we go, the narrower and wetter it gets. As the water flows downward, so we follow, until soon we're in a washing machine of rock and water. As the system levels out, about 70 metres below the surface, the water drains away to leave an impressive passageway of stalagmites, stalactites, glowworms and other secret cave dwellers. And just when you think it's all over, there's the rock climb, a different sort of test for the by now not so faint-hearted. And soon, a triumphant return to clear skies and terra firma. We rate Haggas as a Rambo 8 out of 10 because it's such concentrated caving, but we're always amazed at how complete novices rise to meet the challenge. Like the Lost World abseil, it's a challenge of the mind more than anything, and a chance to push personal boundaries.